Subscribe to Wasay Tech Tips and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today we are going to unbox the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. So let's unbox. Here is the package which contains the fitness band. Let's open it up. Okay. So inside we have the fitness band itself with a lot of packaging to secure it. That's good. Let me just cut open the packaging. Okay, here you go. And there goes the packaging, and here we have the fitness band itself. Okay, the fitness band in its packaging, small little package. Let me remove the plastic. Okay, so here it is, the Mi Band 3. On the front side you can see the fitness band itself. Let me just open it, but first let me look at the back. On the side you have the Mi branding, and on the back here it says some of its specification. Model is this, battery type Leon polymer battery, package contents, what is present, fitness tracker, wristband, charging cable, user manual, IP rating 580 which means up to 50 meter. I think that's IP68, waterproof, color is black, and the current and battery capacity is 110 mAh, input voltage 5 volt. You can connect it to your regular charger that charges your mobile phone. Supports Bluetooth 4.2 BLE, which means that you should have a device that supports Bluetooth 4.2 in order to connect the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 to the device. Okay, let's open it. And here you go, and this is made up of plastic. Okay, and here is the Mi Band itself. Let me just open it up. Here is the actual tracker. Put it at a side, and inside we have the rubber band, wristband. Okay, here it is, the wristband. Let me remove this foam. Here is the actual wristband. It is really nice in quality and quite flexible, so that it can last for long. Also you have this little ring on the end of the band which you didn't have on the Mi Band 2. Also we have this huge manual. This will show us how to connect, how to charge. Anyways, I'm not going to read it. I'm just going to show you how you can do that, but you can read it if you want. And last but not least, the charging cable to charge our Mi Band. So these are the contents. Let's move towards the Mi Band itself. Let me just remove it. Okay, it will go downside. Yep, and here you go. And here is our actual fitness band, Xiaomi's fitness band. You can see, and on the back you have its trackers for heart rate sensing and other things. Let me remove the plastic covering on the top, and here it is. It says EAC and about EAC, CE, face, FCC ID, postal, and if I swipe up or down, okay, it's asking me to pair a device, which I will pair it with the Xiaomi app, which is the Mi Fit app. I will give a link for the app in the description for both iOS and for Android. But first let me show you how you can charge it. All you have to do is to take your charging pin that you have provided them, and on the bottom of the tracker you can see that there are two golden pins. You have to align them in this way, and you're going to put in this way, and the other side will go on to your regular mobile charger. So that's how you're going to charge it. Okay, now to put it in the band, you're going to take the band like this way, you're going to insert it from the bottom, and let me do it. It's a little bit tricky though. And come on, and here you go, the band is connected. Now I have to pair it to my device. So guys, I hope that you like this video. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comment section below. The link for the apps will be in the video description as well. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.